What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike Toledo, and we're going to get in depth on some tap downs. Like this is a VIP tap down, the tip I'm referring to. Tip is just these leaves, guys. But it is from Russia. That's a lead tip. Look at that. Dang. I mean, wow. Pretty dang. Let's do another one. Now that's where I'd switch, because I'd be able to knock it down to a certain point where I want it, but I feel like I'll make it a little low, come back here with maybe a little touch up with the fire. Sometimes the high spot can be so high that you have to make a little bit of a low, and if that happens, you just, that should be fun.